Getting ready for your G1 Ontario test. In this video, we're going through G1 Ontario practice test questions to help you build confidence, sharpen your knowledge, and get comfortable for your upcoming test. Whether this is your first time studying or you're refreshing your knowledge, you're in the right place. Track your performance, post your score in the comments at the end, and let's get started. If your right wheels drop off the roadway, what is the best way to get back onto roadway? 1. Apply the brakes and steer hard to the left. 2. Take your foot off the gas pedal, slow down, and gently steer back. 3. Apply the brakes to reduce your speed. 4. Steer hard to the left. The answer is 2. Take your foot off the gas pedal, slow down, and gently steer back. What does this road sign mean? 1. No right turn permitted. 2. You must not take a U-turn. 3. No left turn permitted. 4. Road slippery when wet. The answer is 2. You must not take a U-turn. Before making a U-turn, how far must you be able to see in both directions? 1. 250 meters. 2. 150 meters. 3. 200 meters. 4. 100 meters. The answer is 2. 150 meters. What does this road sign mean? 1. You may not turn right on green light. 2. You may not turn left on a red light. 3. There is no road on the right side of the intersection. 4. You may not turn right on a red light. The answer is 4. You may not turn right on a red light. What does this road sign mean? 1. Keep to the right of the traffic island. 2. Pass other traffic on the right. 3. Road turns right, then left. 4. Winding road ahead. The answer is 1. Keep to the right of the traffic island.
Enjoying this so far? If you got the first 5 questions right, give this video a like to let us know. It's a quick way to know how well you are progressing. Let us continue.
If you are being tailgated, what is the best course of action? 1. Change lanes when it is safe. 2. Increase following distance. 3. Pull over to allow them to pass. 4. All of the above. The answer is 4. All of the above. What does a pair of these signs mean? 1. Do not stand in the area between the signs. 2. Do not park in the area between the signs. 3. Do not stop in the area between the signs. 4. Do not stop in the area between the signs except to load, unload. The answer is 3. Do not stop in the area between the signs. When a car has stopped to allow a pedestrian to cross the street, what should you do? 1. Pass the stopped car on the left. 2. Honk at the driver. 3. Pass on the right. 4. Do not pass any stopped car. The answer is D. Do not pass any stopped car. When approaching a red traffic signal and a police officer motions you to go through, what should you do? 1. Wait for the light to turn green. 2. Obey the policeman's signal and go through at once. 3. Call the policeman's attention to the red light. 4. Stop to make sure he wants you to go through. The answer is B. Obey the policeman's signal and go through at once. What does this road sign mean? 1. Narrow road ahead. 2. The bridge ahead lifts or swings to allow boats to pass. 3. Hotel. 4. Airport. The answer is 2. The bridge ahead lifts or swings to allow boats to pass. When must you stop for a school bus if there is a median? 1. Whenever they stop. 2. Whenever you approach and see it. 3. Never. They will stop for you. 4. Only if you are behind a stopped bus with red lights flashing. The answer is D. Only if you are behind a stopped bus with red lights flashing. How's your score looking so far? If you're finding these sign reminders useful,
Hit that subscribe button.
it helps us bring you more straightforward road awareness videos to keep your confidence high every time you're out driving. What does this road sign mean? 1. Bumpy road ahead. 2. No passing ahead. 3. Road ahead, slippery when wet. 4. Winding road ahead. The answer is 3. Road ahead, slippery when wet. What does this road sign mean? 1. Road slippery when wet. 2. Winding road. 3. Narrow road ahead. 4. Hidden intersection ahead. The answer is 3. Narrow road ahead. What should you do when entering a freeway? 1. Signal, accelerate, and enter quickly. 2. Do what the vehicle ahead does. 3. Signal, then accelerate while merging smoothly into traffic. 4. Signal, then stop and wait. The answer is 3. Signal, then accelerate while merging smoothly into traffic. What should you do when exiting a freeway? 1. Signal and stop. Wait for a gap. 2. Signal, move into the deceleration lane, reduce speed, obey exit signs. 3. Do what the vehicle ahead does. 4. Signal, accelerate into exit lane. The answer is 2. Signal, move into the deceleration lane, reduce speed, obey exit signs. At an intersection, the light is red, but a police officer tells you to go. What should you do? 1. Obey traffic signals. 2. Tell the police officer that the light is red. 3. Stop and make sure that the police officer really wants you to go. 4. Go through. The answer is 4. Go through. What does this road sign mean? 1. Truck route. 2. Truck entrance on the right side ahead. 3. Slow down for trucks. 4. No trucks allowed. The answer is 2. Truck entrance on the right side ahead. When changing lanes on a multi-lane highway, a driver should 1. Check the mirrors and signal. 2. Move into the new lane as fast as possible. 3. Activate the emergency signals. 4. Use the horn. The answer is 1. Check the mirrors and signal. Under which of the following conditions is it dangerous and unlawful to make a U-turn? 1. Within 150 meters of a bridge, viaduct, or tunnel if driver's view is obstructed. 2. Under all of the above conditions. 3. Upon a curve or on a hill where there is a clear view of less than 150 meters. 4. On a railway crossing or within 30 meters of a railway crossing. The answer is 2. Under all of the above conditions. What does this road sign mean? 1. Vehicles approaching from angle shown must stop. 2. This sign means no stopping. 3. No entry into the intersection. 4. Need not stop for stop signs in direction of arrows. The answer is 2. This sign means no stopping. What does this road sign mean? 1. Truck entrance on the right side ahead. 2. Slow down for truck. 3. No trucks allowed. 4. Truck route. The answer is 4. Truck route. If you're finding this practice test helpful, consider sharing it with a friend or family member who's driving or thinking about driving soon. It's a great way to help them stay sharp on the roads too. Failing to stop for a school bus unloading passengers will 1. Result in a 1-year jail sentence. 2. Cost you 60 demerit points and a fine of up to $1,000. 3. Result in retaking your road test. 4. Get you a warning and $100 fine. The answer is 2. Cost you 60 demerit points and a fine of up to $1,000. What does this road sign mean? 1. Lane usage sign permitting all turns including left. 2. Advanced warning of danger. 3. Lane usage sign meaning right turn only. 4. No parking from arrows to corner. The answer is 3. Lane usage sign meaning right turn only. Which of the below infractions can cause 2 demerit points? 1. Having passengers under 16 not wearing their seat belts. 2. Exceeding posted speed limits by more than 50 kilometers per hour. 3. Failure to stop for a police officer. 4. Careless or reckless driving. The answer is 1. Having passengers under 16 not wearing their seatbelts. Your first consideration when deciding to make a U-turn should be 1. Turning radius of your car. 2. Traffic regulations. 3. Presence of trees, fire hydrants, or poles near the curb. 4. Height of the curb. The answer is 2. Traffic regulations. What does this road sign mean? 1. Drive with extra caution. 2. Hidden school bus stop ahead. 3. Slow down. 4. Watch for children and school buses. The answer is 2. Hidden school bus stop ahead. On a first offense, failing to stop for a stopped school bus may 1. Jail time. 2. Only a warning. 3. A $100 ticket. 4. Get you fined $400 to $2,000 and 60 demerit points. The answer is 4. Get you fined $400 to $2,000 and 60 demerit points. To pull out of a parking space, you should 1. Check for traffic signal and pull away when it is safe to do so. 2. Signal and pull away from the curb. 3. Honk your horn and slowly pull away from the curb. 4. Check for traffic signal and quickly pull away. The answer is 1. Check for traffic signal and pull away when it is safe to do so. If one of your tires suddenly blows out while driving, what should you do? 1. Bring the vehicle to a stop off the road. 2. Concentrate on steering. 3. Take your foot off the gas pedal. 4. Do all of the above. The answer is 4. Do all of the above. What does this road sign mean? 1. The paved surface ends ahead. 2. Slow down to prevent hydroplaning. 3. The pavement has been milled or grooved. 4. The pavement is slippery when wet. The answer is 4. The pavement is slippery when wet. That's it for today's G1 Ontario practice questions. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and tell us which questions you found tricky. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who's getting ready for their G1, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell so you're always road ready. Drive safe, and see you in the next one.